Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, friends. I'm Bunny. Thanks for joining us today.
Our topic is how to talk about your 2026 plans.
We'll use simple, clear English, step by step.
If you're learning English, you can pause and repeat after us.
Ready? Let's begin.
Bunny, how are you today?
I'm doing well, Kay. A little busy, but in a good way. How about you?
Same here. I feel focused today.
That's a good feeling.
It's almost the end of the year, so many people are thinking about the next year.
Yes, people start making plans, setting goals, and looking at what they want to change.
Exactly. And this is the perfect time to practice English for talking about future plans.
Because it's a real conversation topic. You can use it with friends, classmates, coworkers, anyone.
Right. So today, we'll teach listeners how to talk about 2026 plans naturally. Before we jump in, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. K English Channel.
And comment below, where are you watching from today?
Also, write one short sentence about your plan. In 2026, I plan to...
We read your comments, and it helps the channel grow.
Part 1. The most common future phrases.
Let's start with the most common phrases Americans use for future plans.
These are simple, but very powerful.
Phrase 1. In 2026, I want to...
This is good for hopes and goals, not too strong.
Phrase 2. In 2026, I plan to...
This sounds more organized, like you already decided.
Phrase 3. In 2026, I'm going to...
This sounds confident and direct.
Phrase 4. My goal for 2026 is to...
This is perfect when you talk about personal development.
Bunie, can you give an example with I want to?
Sure. In 2026, I want to improve my English.
Nice and clear. Now with I plan to.
In 2026, I plan to take an online course.
Great. Now with I'm going to.
In 2026, I'm going to exercise more.
And with my goal is.
My goal for 2026 is to save more money.
Perfect.
Part 2. Plans by category. Work, health, money, travel.
Many people have the same categories of goals.
Yes, work or study, health, money, relationships, and travel.
Let's practice with work and study first.
Work, study.
Bunie, what's a common work goal?
A common one is learning a new skill.
Like what?
It can be anything. Excel, public speaking, coding, video editing.
So you could say, in 2026, I plan to learn video editing.
Or, my goal for 2026 is to improve my communication skills.
That sounds professional.
Another one is getting a better job.
Right. People can say, in 2026, I want to find a better job.
Or, in 2026, I'm going to apply for new positions.
Apply for new positions is a nice phrase. It sounds formal and natural.
Health.
Now health. Everyone talks about health goals.
Absolutely. What's the most common health goal?
Exercise.
Yes, people say, in 2026, I'm going to work out more.
By the way, work out is very common in American English.
Good point. Exercise is correct, but workout is casual and natural.
Another health goal is sleep.
Many people say, in 2026, I want to sleep earlier.
Or, I plan to get at least 7 hours of sleep.
At least is useful. It means the minimum.
And food. People often say, I'm going to eat healthier.
Or, in 2026, I plan to cut down on sugar.
Cut down on means reduce, like less sugar, less coffee, less social media.
Exactly.
Now, money goals.
Many people want to save more.
Yes, you can say, in 2026, I plan to save money.
Or, my goal for 2026 is to save $200 a month.
A month makes it specific.
Another money goal is spending less.
You can say, in 2026, I'm going to spend less on unnecessary things.
Unnecessary means not needed.
Also, budgeting.
Right. In 2026, I want to make a budget and stick to it.
Stick to it means follow it consistently.
Great phrase for daily habits.
Finally, travel.
People love talking about travel plans.
Yes, because it's fun and positive.
You can say, in 2026, I want to travel more.
Or, in 2026, I plan to visit a new country.
And you can add a time. I'm going to travel in the summer.
Or, I plan to take a trip in October.
That sounds natural.
Part 3. Add details to sound more fluent.
Now let's level up. We add details.
Details make you sound more fluent and more serious.
Let's talk about 3 detailed types. When, how often, and how much.
For example, not just I want to exercise. Add 3 times a week.
Exactly. Bunie, give an example.
In 2026, I'm going to work out 3 times a week.
Great. Now, when?
In 2026, I plan to travel in the summer.
Nice. Now, how much?
My goal for 2026 is to save $200 a month.
Perfect.
Kate, can I share a tip?
Sure.
When you add numbers, you sound very clear. It's easier for listeners to understand.
Good point. Numbers are powerful in plans.
And it makes your plan feel real.
Part 4. Add reasons because.
The next step is adding a reason.
Yes, reasons create deeper conversation.
The key word is because.
Or you can say so that, which sounds slightly more formal.
Let's practice because first.
Example, in 2026, I want to improve my English because I want better opportunities.
Opportunities is a great word. It means chances for a better life or career.
Another example, I'm going to exercise more because I want more energy.
More energy is something everyone understands.
Here's one with money. I plan to save money because I want to travel.
Perfect.
Now with so that.
Sure.
I plan to save money so that I can buy a house.
Nice. That's a clear long-term goal.
Part 5. Make your plans sound natural and flexible.
Sometimes we are not 100% sure.
Right. If you are not sure, you can use softer phrases.
Like, I hope to.
Or, I'd like to.
Or, I'm thinking about.
These are very common and polite.
Let's use them in sentences.
In 2026, I hope to start a new hobby.
In 2026, I'd like to travel more.
I'm thinking about changing jobs in 2026.
That last one is very natural for casual conversations.
Yes, because it shows you are considering it, but it's not final.
Part 6. Asking questions about someone's 2026 plans.
Now we teach listeners how to ask questions.
Because a real conversation is two-way.
Question 1. What are your plans for 2026?
Question 2. What's your main goal for 2026?
Question 3. Are you going to travel in 2026?
Question 4. Do you want to learn something new in 2026?
Let's make it more natural with follow-up questions.
Yes, follow-up questions keep the conversation going.
For example, if someone says, I plan to learn English, you can ask,
That's great. How will you practice?
or how often will you study?
Or, what's your biggest challenge?
Those questions sound very natural and friendly.
Part 7. Longer role play. Full 2026 plan conversation.
Now we'll do a longer role-play conversation, like a podcast.
This part is great for shadowing. Listen first, then repeat.
Kay, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
What are your plans for 2026?
Good question. In 2026, I want to focus on 3 things: health, skills, and family time.
That sounds balanced. Let's start with health. What are you going to do?
I'm going to work out 3 times a week. Also, I plan to sleep earlier on weekdays.
How early?
Ideally, I want to be in bed by 10:30 p.m.
That's a strong plan. Why is sleep a goal for you?
Because when I sleep well, I have more energy and I'm less stressed.
That makes sense. Stress affects everything.
It really does. How about you? Do you have any health plans?
Yes, in 2026, I'd like to eat healthier and cook at home more often.
Nice. Cooking at home is usually healthier and cheaper.
Exactly. I want to cook at home 4 days a week.
4 days a week is realistic. What kind of meals do you want to cook?
Simple meals: chicken, vegetables, soups, and salads.
Sounds great. And what's your reason?
Because I want to feel lighter and have more energy during the day.
Great reason.
Now, you said skills. What skills do you want to build in 2026?
In 2026, I plan to improve my public speaking and video editing.
That fits your YouTube work.
Yes, I want the channel to grow, and I also want to become more confident speaking in front of people.
How will you practice public speaking?
I'm going to work out every week. I might join a local speaking group, and I'll also record myself.
Recording yourself is a great method. It's uncomfortable at first, but it works.
True. When you watch yourself, you notice small things: your speed, your pronunciation, your body language.
And video editing.
For video editing, I plan to take an online course and practice on real projects.
That sounds practical. How much time will you spend on it?
Maybe 5 hours a week.
5 hours a week is a good start.
How about your skills goals, Bunny?
My goal for 2026 is to speak English more confidently.
That's perfect for our topic. How will you do it?
I'm going to practice speaking every day. I plan to shadow podcasts and record my voice.
Great plan. Shadowing is powerful.
Yes, and I also want to learn more vocabulary for work.
What kind of work vocabulary?
Words for meetings, emails, presentations, and negotiations.
That's smart. Business English can really help people advance.
Kay, do you have any travel plans for 2026?
I do. In 2026, I'd like to take at least one big trip.
Where do you want to go?
I'm thinking about visiting a national park in the U.S.
That sounds beautiful. Which one?
Maybe Yellowstone or Yosemite. I haven't decided yet.
Those are great options. Why a national park?
Because I want to spend more time in nature. It helps me relax.
That's a great reason.
How about you?
In 2026, I hope to visit a new city in the U.S. Maybe Chicago or Boston.
Nice. Those cities have a lot of history and culture.
Yes, and I want to practice English in real life.
That's a smart reason for travel. Real-life practice is the best. Let's talk about money goals. Travel costs money.
True. In 2026, I plan to save $200 a month.
Great. How will you do that?
I'm going to spend less on online shopping and cook at home more.
That connects with your health goal, too.
Yes, one habit can support two goals.
I like that idea. My goal is also to save more.
How much do you want to save?
I want to save $300 a month.
Nice. What will help you do it?
I'm going to track my spending and set a weekly budget.
Track my spending is a great phrase.
Yes, it means I watch where my money goes.
You also said family time.
Yes, in 2026, I want to spend more quality time with my family.
Quality time means focused time, not just being in the same room.
Exactly. I want to have dinner together more often and maybe do a family activity on weekends.
That's wonderful. Why is that important for you?
Because life is busy and time passes quickly. I don't want to miss those moments.
That's meaningful.
Bunie, what about your personal life goals?
In 2026, I'd like to build a better routine.
What kind of routine?
A morning routine. I want to wake up earlier, drink water, and study English for 20 minutes.
That's a strong plan. Morning routines can change your whole day.
Yes, because mornings set the tone for everything.
So we covered health, skills, travel, money, and personal life.
And we used simple English the whole time.
That's the goal. Simple, repeatable, and useful.
Let's recap the key phrases.
Repeat after us. In 2026, I want to. In 2026, I plan to. In 2026, I'm going to. My goal for 2026 is to. I hope to. I'd like to. I'm thinking about.
And remember the question. What are your plans for 2026?
Plus follow-ups. Why? How? How often? When?
Now your turn. Question. What is your biggest plan for 2026?
Write one sentence in the comments. In 2026, I plan to blank because blank.
Thank you for learning with us on Mr. K English channel.
If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.